I'm Mike McIntyre, and here's a clip from today's Sound of Ideas.
The Ohio Constitution contains a provision that says if two conflicting constitutional amendments are approved, the one that gets the higher number of affirmative votes will prevail.
Okay.
However, there is a provision in the Monopoly Amendment that basically says that it's going to be really hard for this amendment, for the marijuana amendment, to prevail if the Monopoly Amendment is passed. There's also a question about the effective dates of these two provisions. Under the Constitution, a legislatively proposed amendment takes effect immediately, whereas an initiated
which the marijuana
amendment with like a marijuana is, doesn't take effect for an additional 30 days. The Monopoly Amendment also explicitly says that in the event of a legal dispute that this stuff will go all to the Ohio Supreme Court.
So the responsible Ohio people need a yes on the marijuana measure and a no on the other measure.
Well,
to avoid
that's the best case scenario for them. Yes, if both are approved, then I think there is a reasonable chance that we will wind up in court to try to sort out what happens, depending on what Secretary of State Husted determines after the votes are in.
And marijuana sales are legalized in Ohio. That's not the end of it, because marijuana is still illegal at the federal level.
That's right. And there is, whether we like the policy or not, it is clear that the federal government has the constitutional power to prohibit marijuana, which it has done. And for that reason, in places where marijuana has been legalized at the state or local level, it has largely become a cash-only business because federal law effectively prohibits banks and similar institutions from dealing with marijuana businesses.
For more great Sound of Ideas conversation, go to ideastream.org/SOI.